Dear students, in this video we'll discuss about class 6 candid new trends in English grammar and composition, chapter number 17, narration, direct and indirect speech. Okay, so there are two types of speech. One is direct and another is indirect. So while we change direct into indirect, we have to follow some rules. Okay, so here there are two types of reporting. What a person has said, we may quote his actual words, which is called direct speech. So I am getting late. Okay, so here inverted sign is used and a comma is also used. Okay, and here this is said. This is known as reporting verb. Okay, reporting verb. I am getting late. So here I am getting. So this is reported verb. Okay, reported verb. So we have won the match. Said the boys. Here said is reporting verb, or you also called it introducing verb. We have won. Have won. This is reported verb. Okay. Then the word within the quotation, this is known as reported speech. Okay, reported speech. So we have won the match. This is reported speech. So we may report what he said without quoting his actual words. This is known as indirect speech. Okay, so how to identify the direct speech and indirect speech? In direct speech we find that the exact words of the speaker are put within inverted commas. Okay, so this way of reporting is called as direct speech. Then how to identify indirect speech? Now if you find the inverted commas are removed and a conjunction that is also used here, that. Okay, so here that. Okay, this is conjunction. Okay, so in indirect speech, inverted commas are removed and a conjunction that is used in place of inverted commas. Okay, so here actual words of the speaker are not used as such, but they are used with certain changes, and this way of reporting is known as indirect speech. Okay, so here note of the following point: in direct speech, the actual words of the speaker are put within the inverted commas. The first word of the reported speech, okay, reported speech, that means actual words of the speaker, begins with a capital letter. The reported speech is separated by comma from the reporting verb. Then in indirect speech, inverted commas are not used and the reported speech is generally introduced by the conjunction that. The comma separating the reporting verb from the reported speech is removed. The tense of the reporting verb is never changed. Okay, so here tense of the verb, reporting verb never changed. Like he said, I am a student. Okay, so this is reporting verb and this verb never changed. Okay, according to this verb we change the reported verb. Okay, reported verb, but the reporting verb never changes. The quotation mark and the mark of exclamation is also are not used. Interrogative, imperative and exclamatory sentences are put as statement. So what happens in how to change the direct into indirect? Now we have to follow some rules. First, changes of the tense. Okay, so here direct, he says I am ready. So here says, this is reporting verb. Okay, reporting verb. So if the reporting verb is in simple present tense, then there is no changes in the tense in the reported speech will be happen. Okay, so here no change in tense. Okay, no change in tense, because why? Now as the reporting verb is in the simple present tense. Okay, simple present tense. So she says that she is ready. To here first tense is also changed, then pronoun is also changed. First am is here tense is not changed. Okay, am is changed into is, then here pronoun I is also changed into she. Okay, then next she says I was ready. Okay, she says she was ready. She will say I am ready. Okay, she is that I am ready. She will say that she is ready. So here what happens? First you know tense, then second a pronoun, okay, then you know time phrase, okay, time phrase like yesterday, tomorrow, next day, okay, time phrase. Here time place, okay, so you have to remember all the, okay, here changes the pronoun. So okay, so I will make a separate video of direct and indirect speech, a complete video how to change the direct speech into indirect and how to change the indirect speech into direct, okay. So here first let's discuss the exercise. Change the following sentence into direct speech, okay. So here first the boys said that they were going out to play, okay. The boys said that. So here you know this is repeating verb is in the simple past tense, okay, and they were going. So you know this is past progressive, okay. So here this is written in indirect speech, you have to change into direct speech, okay. So what will happen here? Now the boy, okay, the boys said, okay, the boys said, comma, inverted start, okay, we are going to play. We are, you know this is here used to past continuous, you have to use in the sentence in present continuous. We are going to play, okay, we are going to play, going out to play. Clear? Inverted and full stop. So here first one is done. Then second, the old man said that he had lived a good life, okay. So you know here past perfect is used, okay, he had lived a good life. So you can write here, the old man said, comma, inverted start, I have lived a good life, okay, I have lived a good life, okay, inverted and then full stop. Then next, Mrs. Sinha says that she enjoys reading detective novels. So here you should first identify here says, this is repeating verb is in simple present, so there will be no changes in the, okay. So you can write the answer here, Mrs. Sinha says that, inverted start, I enjoy reading, okay, I enjoy reading detective novels, okay, detective novels, inverted and full stop, okay. Mrs. Sinha says enjoy reading detective novels. Then next, the actress said that she was getting married the following month. So here first you have to identify, okay, here repeating verb is in the simple past, okay. So you can write the answer here, the actress said, okay, the actress said, okay, comma, inverted, I am getting married, okay, I am getting married the next month, okay, the next month. So here inverted and then full stop, okay. Then next, the Brown said that they enjoyed having barbecue patties. Here first identify said here, okay, this is in repeating verb is in the simple past. So you can write the answer, the Brown said, okay, the Browns said, comma, inverted start, we enjoy, okay, we enjoy having, okay, then you have to write the remaining, okay. The Browns said we enjoy having barbecue parties, okay. So here you know this is simple past, so you have to use your simple present. Clear? Then next, change the following sentences into indirect speech. The new curtains have arrived, the man said. So here you know this is simple past and here present perfect, so you have to use your past perfect. The maid said that, the maid said that, okay. The maid said that the new curtains had arrived. The new curtains had arrived. Okay, clear? Here present perfect is used, we have to use the past perfect. Okay, then next, who was that funny looking gentleman? Vicky asked Dean. Okay, so you can write Vicky wanted to know. You can also write here Vicky wanted to know. Okay, Vicky wanted to know from Dean. Okay, who that funny, okay, who that funny looking gentleman was. Okay, clear? Vicky wanted to know from Dean who that funny looking gentleman was. Then next, release the prisoners, the king said to the sentry. Okay, the king ordered. Okay, the king ordered the sentry. Okay, the sentry to release the prisoners. To release the prisoners. Okay, the king ordered the sentry to release the prisoners. Then next, I am going to write a letter to Mary, said Mrs. Finch. Okay, so here simple past and here present continuous, so you have to use your past continuous. Mrs. Finch says that. Okay, Mrs. Finch said that she was going to, okay, said that she was going to write a letter to Mary. Okay, write a letter to Mary. Mrs. Finch said that she was going to write a letter to Mary. Okay, then next, would you like to sit down? The passenger asked the lady. So here you can write the passenger asked. Okay, the passenger asked the lady if she would like to sit down. Okay, the passenger asked the lady if she would like to sit down. Then your next exercise, rewrite the following sentences into indirect speech. Okay, so I will make a separate video of direct and indirect speech. The video will be cover a very long time, as there are many rules we have to follow while changing direct into indirect. Okay, then next, the structure of affirmative, the structure of negative, then yes no, WH, then operative, imperative sentences. So different structure should be followed. So okay, so in another video I will make a complete details explanation about how to change to direct into indirect speech and also indirect to direct. The next exercise here 2. Even says I cannot face my father. Okay, even says that Evans says that, okay, he cannot face his father. Okay, here reporting verb is in simple present, that's why no changes occur in the reported speech. Okay, they are same, cannot face. Okay, then next the director says we should follow the golden path. The direct, okay, so here also same simple present, so no changes will be happen in here. The director says that they should, okay, they should follow the golden path. Clear? Then next Raghav will say nobody is as rich as I am. Okay, so here also same will say, so no changes will be in the reported speech. Raghav will say that nobody, okay, nobody is as rich as he is. Okay, as he is. The next Mr. Srivastava said I earn enough to feed my family. Okay, so here you can write Mr. Srivastava said that, this is also fact. Okay, the fact, when you take an example of a fact, so no tense will change in the reported speech. Okay, like the teacher said water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. The teacher said that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, so no changes. So this is also a fact. Okay, so Mr. Srivastava said that he earns, not earned. Okay, he earns enough to feed his family. Okay, to feed his family. Okay, the next Harry said I am working in a restaurant. So here reporting verb is simple past and your reported speech is in reported. Okay, reported verb, this is reporting verb. The reported verb is in present progressive, this will be changed into past progressive. So Harry said that he was not, okay, he was working, not he was working in a restaurant. Okay, in a restaurant. Then next the saint said you must pray to God every day. The saint said that we must, okay, we must pray to God every day. Okay, clear? The saint said that we must pray to God every day. Then next Rahul said, friends, we are going on a picnic tomorrow. Rahul informed. Okay, we can write Rahul said, Rahul told. Okay, so Rahul informed his friends that they Okay, they would be going. They would be going on a picnic next day. Okay, on a picnic next day. Clear? Rahul informed or told his friends that they would be going on a picnic next day. Then next, Dhawal said, I cannot take any risk. Dhawal said, I cannot take. The Dhawal refused. Okay, you can write here. Dhawal refused to take any risk. Okay, Dhawal refused to take any risk. Clear? Dhawal refused. So you can also write Dhawal said he could not take any risk. This is also right, but in simply you can also call Dhawal refused to take any risk. Then next, the security guard said to me, you should switch off your cell phone. Okay, the security guard told me, the security guard told me that I should, okay, I should switch off my cell phone. Switch off my cell phone. Okay, clear? Then next, Prabal said, I hope the weather is fine tomorrow. Prabal said that, okay, or we can write hope here. Okay, hope. The Prabal wished that the weather would be, okay, the weather would be fine the following day. Okay, then next, interrogative sentences. Okay, so here, the booking clerk said to me, where do you live? Okay, the booking clerk asked me, okay, asked me where I lived. So here you know, where do you live? So here this is simple present. Okay, the reported speech will be simple past. Where I lived. Then next, the priest said to the man, have you been to the temple today? The priest asked the man. The priest asked the man if or whether. Okay, you can write if or whether he had been to the temple that day. Okay, temple that day. Clear? The priest asked the man if or whether he had been to the temple that day. So this day, today. Okay, today changed into that day. Then next, she said to me, what can I do for you? She inquired of me. Okay, or she asked me, you can also write, she inquired of me. Okay, what she could do for me. Okay, what she could do for me. Then next, I said to the stranger, whose house are you looking for? I asked the stranger. Okay, I asked the stranger whose house he was looking for. Okay, he was looking for. I asked the stranger whose house he was looking for. Then next, the teacher said to me, have you read the page 21? Okay. The teacher asked me. The teacher asked me if I had read page 21. Okay, the teacher asked me if I had read page 21. Then next, Rina said to herself, what dessert should I make today? Rina asked herself what dessert she should make that day. Okay, the next, can you make out what he is saying? She said to me. She asked me, if I could make out what he was saying. Okay, what he was saying. She asked me if I could make out what he was saying. Then next, can we go to Puri for the weekend? Hemant said to Rohit. Hemant suggested. Okay, Hemant suggested Rohit if they could go. Okay, if they could go to Puri for the weekend. Okay, for the Hemant suggested Rohit if they could go to Puri for the weekend. Then next, where can I get cheap accommodation? The stranger asked. Okay, the stranger wanted to know. Okay, the stranger wanted to know where he could get cheap accommodation. Okay, cheap accommodation. The stranger wanted to know where he could get cheap accommodation. Then next, what is my future? The excited boy asked the astrologer. The excited boy wanted to know. Okay, the excited boy wanted to know from the astrologer what his future would be. Okay, future would be. The excited boy wanted to know from the astrologer what his future would be. Okay, then next, imperative sentence here. I said to her, be quiet. Okay, I told her to be quiet. I told her to be quiet. Okay, I told her to be quiet. Then next, I hope you would pass the examination this year, said I to him. I wished that. Okay, hope here, hope is used here, so we will use wish. So I wished that he would. Okay, he would pass the examination, okay, that year. I wished that he would pass the examination that year. Then next, the principal said to us, don't enter my room. The principal forbade us, okay. The principal forbade us. The past tense of forbid, okay. Forbade us to enter his room. To enter his room, okay. Then next, cheer of mother, I will go and settle abroad, said Anubhav. Anubhav, okay, Anubhav told her mother to be cheerful, okay, to be cheerful, that he would go and settle abroad, okay. Anubhav told her mother to be cheerful, that he would go and settle abroad, okay. Then next, the teacher said to the boy, do well as you have always done. The teacher advised the boy to do well, okay, to do well as he had always done, okay, he had always done. The teacher advised the boy to do well as he had always done, okay. Then next, my friend phoned me, meet me at the railway station. My friend phoned me, okay, my friend phoned me to meet him, okay, to meet him at the railway station, okay. My friend phoned me to meet him at the railway station. Then next, the judge said to them, call the second witness. The judge ordered, okay, the judge ordered them to call the, okay, to call the second witness. The judge ordered them to call the second witness. Then next, she said, please be silent and listen to me. You can write here she, okay, urged, or you can also write she requested to be silent and listen to her, okay, and listen to her. Then next, the doctor said to him, avoid milk products if you want to control your blood pressure, okay. The doctor advised him to avoid milk products if he wanted to control his blood pressure, okay, clear. The doctor advised him to avoid milk products if he wanted to control his blood pressure. Then next, the judge said to him, don't leave the city without permission, okay. The judge ordered, okay, the judge him not to leave the city without permission. Okay, then next exercise 5. So here it is about exclamatory sentences. Okay, the spectator said, "Bravo, well played, Ronald." The spectator applauded. Okay, the spectators applauded. APPLAUDED. Okay, Ronaldo, saying that he had played. Okay, he had played well. Okay, then next, the students complained and said, "How dark the paper is." So you can write, the students exclaimed that the paper was very dark. The students exclaimed with contempt. Okay, with contempt that the paper was very tough. Okay, the students exclaimed with contempt that the paper was very tough. Then next, "Ah, me," exclaimed the woman, "what a rash and bloody deed you have done." The woman exclaimed with anguish. The woman exclaimed with anguish. Okay, ANGUISH, anguish, that he had done a harsh and bloody deed. Okay, bloody deed. Then next, he said, "Oh my God, I am ruined." He regretted. Okay, he regretted that he was ruined. Okay, he regretted that he was ruined. Then next, the children said, "Hooray, our teacher is on leave today." The children exclaimed with joy. The children exclaimed with joy that their teacher was on leave that day. Okay, the children exclaimed with joy that their teacher was on leave that day. Then next, the guest said, "What a delicious dinner." The guest exclaimed with joy. The guest exclaimed with joy that it was a delicious dinner. Okay, the guest exclaimed with joy that it was a delicious dinner. Then next, how foolish you are, said the master to the servant. Okay, the master admonished. Okay, admonished, ad, okay, admonished, the servant that he was very foolish. He was very foolish. The master admonished the servant that he was very foolish. Then next, the poet said, "What a beautiful sunset!" The poet exclaimed with surprise. The poet exclaimed with surprise that it was a very beautiful sunset. It was a very beautiful sunset. Okay. The woman exclaimed, "What a lovely child!" The woman wondered that it was a lovely child. It was a lovely child. Okay. Then next, he said, "How wonderful the scenery is." Okay. So he exclaimed with surprise that it was a very beautiful, it was a very wonderful scenery. Okay, so I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box, like, subscribe and share with your friends. Okay, thank you.